The day I found a typewriter was the day my life changed forever. It sat in the corner of the attic, cloaked in cobwebs and shadow, yet something about its presence called to me. The first story I typed was about a car crash on the old highway outside town, an incident that unfolded exactly as I had written, down to the shattered glass glinting in the moonlight. My fascination quickly turned to dread as each subsequent tale manifested in reality, each more horrific than the last. I tried to stop, but my fingers moved on their own, compelled by an unseen force. The final story was about a writer, trapped by his own creation, unable to escape the fate he had penned. As the last word appeared on the yellowing paper, I realized the chilling truth: the typewriter wasn't predicting the future, it was dictating it. And now, it was writing about me.